Today we will be peeling back the classified curtain on one of the most elusive unmanned aircraft ever built, the Northrop Grumman RQ-180 White Bat. A high-altitude, long-endurance, next-generation stealth drone built for penetrating deep into contested airspace, undetected. Let's rewind to the late 2000s. The U.S. military knew that its existing reconnaissance platforms, the RQ-170 Sentinel and the aging U-2 spy plane, were not going to cut it against the rising threats from Russia and China. Enter the RQ-180 White Bat, a highly classified next-generation stealth drone designed to provide unmatched intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance deep behind enemy lines. Think of it as the spiritual successor of the legendary SR-71 Blackbird, with the added benefit of being unmanned, making it the perfect tool for high-risk, high-reward missions. So what makes the White Bat the ghost of the skies? It is the aircraft that is built for deep penetration into enemy airspace. It features a blended flying wing design borrowing from the B-2 Spirit, but with a much shorter radar cross-section optimized for broadband stealth. The White Bat operates at altitudes exceeding 60,000 feet, where it lurks far above enemy defenses, using its sensors to track hostile movements without detection. Reports suggest that the White Bat can remain airborne for over 24 hours, giving the U.S. an unblinking eye in the most hostile environments. But this drone is not just a lone wolf, it's also a force multiplier. It integrates with other aircraft, satellites, and command centers, making it a key player in joint all-domain command and control. In a war against a near-peer adversary, this drone will be the first asset in the sky, mapping out air defenses and feeding critical data to the stealth bombers and fighters. With its low observability and long endurance, the White Bat ensures that the U.S. will have persistent reconnaissance, even in environments where traditional assets would not survive. In the next era of drone warfare, the White Bat paves the way for autonomous strategic surveillance, potentially even AI-assisted mission execution. It isn't just a drone. The White Bat is a game-changer in the world of strategic reconnaissance. And while much of its capabilities remain classified, one thing is clear. Air dominance isn't just about fighters and bombers anymore. The future is stealth. The future is unmanned. And the future is already here. That's all the time that we have for this week's episode of Zan's Weapon Depot. If you enjoyed this weapon system breakdown, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, stay sharp, stay tactical, and I'll see you in the next debrief. Semper Fi.